How to insert image in Microsoft Publisher document. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Publisher on your device. Then at the top, make sure you go to Insert or Home page and search for Pictures in here. Click on Pictures. You'll find three options. If it's in your device, you can click on From a File, which is the first option. It will open all your files. Click on the file and press on Insert. Then your picture will be inserted in your document. You can resize it as you want and also drag it wherever you want. And this is how to insert image in Microsoft Publisher document. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.